In the silence of a forgotten junkyard, a legend waits, buried under time. Dust covers every inch, rust slowly eating away its soul. But beneath this decay, there is history, power, identity. Today, we bring it back to life. Slowly, gently, the dust is removed. Each touch reveals a story hidden for decades. Water flows, washing away years of neglect. The true color begins to breathe again. Foam covers the surface, soft bubbles sliding down like time reversing. With every stroke, every wipe, the Mustang begins to return. Inside, the damage is deeper. Torn seats, broken memories, silent echoes. We strip it down piece by piece, until nothing remains but its raw form. Rust fights back, but patience is stronger. Grinding, sanding, restoring. Metal reborn under careful hands. Every sound, every movement. A step closer to perfection. The heart of the machine, the engine. Once silent, now ready to rise again. Each part cleaned, rebuilt, respected. Power is no longer lost, it is rebuilt. The body reshaped, refined. Imperfections slowly disappear. A new layer begins. Primer covering the past. Then color returns. Deep blue, rich, alive. Like it never faded. The shine grows stronger. Reflection becomes flawless. Piece by piece, it comes together again. Every bolt tightened, every detail perfected. Inside, everything feels new. Clean, fresh, reborn. And finally, the moment arrives. The engine breathes. A soft rumble, then life. A machine once forgotten, now awakened. From rust to glory. From silence to power. This is not just restoration. This is rebirth.